This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today we will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch the settings and enter the display category, as well as expand the available screen timeout values, we'll realize that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is, well, no more than, unfortunately, 30 minutes. Thus, in order for us to be able to set this value to never, let's just go ahead and use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So you gotta launch the Play Store, type in Caffeine at the search bar. Among the search results of apps, just open this one and tap on this green install button. After the Caffeine app has been successfully downloaded and installed, just launch it. In here, make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And from now on, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.